So, National Family Planning Program. It was India's first flagship program for population stabilization, offering a basket of contraceptive choices. What all services were offered under it? So, free contraceptives like condom, OCPs, copper teas, injectables were there. Permanent methods like both tubectomy and vasectomy was introduced, and spacing methods like Antara and Chaya were also offered under this National Family Planning Program. So the National Family Planning Program trend. So this shows a trend of all these things. So in 2018 to 2019, we see sterilization has decreased from 35.4 to 30.6. IUCD insertion has increased subsequently. Again, PPIUCD has also increased. Acceptance is also increased. That is why it has increased. Injectables like Antara has also increased drastically from 9.9 to 46.2. Again, kudos to the ASHAs and the government incentives. Centroman uptake has also increased from 14.1 in 2018 to 19 to 130.04. So we can see that all these family planning methods have shown a rise in the subsequent years. Mission Parivar Vikas, as we were talking. So it was basically launched in 2017, targeting 146 high fertility districts in 7 states with TFR of more than 3. So वो 7 states क्या थे? Again, UP, Bihar, MP, Rajasthan, Jharkhand, Chhattisgarh. So these were the states where it was introduced in 146 districts. What were the key interventions? Modern contraceptives ka availability, ASHA's को incentives, focus on spacing between births, 3 years, so that the mother gets a chance to become healthy and then again go for giving birth to another child. And the child also benefits. The first child also gets the required attention and care. And delivery of postpartum IUCD and postpartum sterilization. This was under the Mission Parivar Vikas. What were the key features of Mission Parivar Vikas? It will be MPV here. So, यहाँ पे the financial year 2021-2022, we noted the following. There was 2.3 lakh sterilizations. Acceptance rate was around 20.5% for PPIUCD. Injectables were 6.39 and Centroman was 18.2. Again, increase in all these things were noted. That means the program was delivering what it had promised. The Antara program, again, it was launched under the Mission Parivar Vikas in 2017. यहाँ पे injectable contraceptive DMPA was administered every 3 months, provided free government health facilities and as a part of the spacing method. So the ASHAs used to go door to door and they used to counsel the mothers and the women who were of reproductive age group already having children for this type of family planning. The health personals, the nurses at the PHCs were also trained for this particular running this particular program and giving the injections. It is running in West Bengal also. Again, the Chaya Centroman program, a non-hormonal oral contraceptive weekly. It is a weekly pill safe for breastfeeding and comes in the brand name of Chaya, as I had shown. So this was also promoted again through counseling. Basically, ASHAs are the working force of the entire nation. Scheme for home delivery of contraceptives by ASHAs. Now, what the government did, they told the ASHAs to deliver condom and all these OCPs, emergency contraceptives, at the doorstep of people to end the stigma and promote accessibility and privacy, especially in rural areas, because contraceptives लेके बहुत stigma होता है. Females are shamed if they get condoms. इसीलिए आशास को बोला गया कि आप घर पे जाके डिलीवरी दो कि इवेंचुअली स्टिग्मा भी खत्म हो एंड फीमेल्स भी समझें इसके बेनिफिट्स. Scheme for ASHA-driven family planning initiatives. ASHA incentives for motivating couples for IUCD, OCP, sterilization, antenatal care, and institutional deliveries. ASHAs को हर institutional delivery में पैसे मिलते हैं. 4 ANC कराने पे भी पैसे मिलते हैं. Sterilization में we had discussed they are getting 300 for female, 200 for male permanent methods of sterilization, and spacing methods में भी OCP, IUCD insertion पे भी they get incentives. So this led to them being motivated to follow up the services. Family Planning Logistic Management Information System, which I told FPLMIS. Basically, it is a real-time supply chain data management. इससे क्या होता है, वी नो व्हाट स्टॉक इज अवेलेबल एट व्हाट फैसिलिटी, कहाँ पे क्या चीज कम है, ट्रांसमिशन में कितना टाइम लगेगा, तो हर लेवल पे स्टॉक इज मेंटेन्ड। एक्सपायरी स्टॉक को पहले निकालना है, so everything is done through this, the FPLMIS, so that there is no wastage and timely delivery of the services. Again, coming to the adolescent health risk program, the RKSK. Anybody can tell me the full form of RKSK?
राष्ट्रीय किशोर स्वास्थ्य कार्यक्रम.
Okay, fine. So RKSK, which deals with adolescent health, it focuses on teenage reproductive health, delaying marriage and pregnancy. Basically, this promotes teenage pregnancy. Again, this is there in our country because we are having a surge in the population. In many of the countries where population is low, they are promoting teenage pregnancy. Again, education on contraceptive and sexually transmitted diseases, because this age group, the adolescent age group, is the one which needs to be educated about STDs. Linked to school health and peer education. School health में स्कूल में ही बताएंगे, स्कूल ही हमरा ओदेर के पढ़ाबो ना, मतलब we will tell them about all these things. And peer educators मतलब कि उनके ही क्लास में से किसी को सिलेक्ट करेंगे, मे बी एक मेल एक फीमेल, इसके बारे में भी आगे आई विल शो यू वीडियो. एंड दे विल बी एजुकेटेड एंड दे विल बी टोल्ड टू एजुकेट देयर क्लासमेट्स, because we are more likely to listen to people of our same age with from the same background.
এগুলো স্কুলে শেখালে ওদের হিউমিলিয়েটেড কি হতে হয়?
কি
এগুলো যদি স্কুলে এই সেক্স এডুকেশন নিয়ে বলা হয়, ওদের কি হিউমিলিয়েটেড হতে হয়?
humiliated er kichu ব্যাপার নেই না, that is what we have to end. We have to end the stigma regarding sex and everything, especially in the adolescent age group. We have to talk more openly about it. So that is what we have to end, the humiliation and the stigma, the shame which we say. Coming to the incentives for delayed marriage and small family norms. So under the scheme, they come under the schemes like maternity benefit scheme and Balika Samriddhi Yojana. For couples who marry after the legal age, they have delayed childbirth, and they adopt like after 2 years of marriage, they have their first child after 2 years of marriage, and adopt terminal contraception after 2 children. They are eligible for cash benefits and insurance only if they fulfill all these criteria. So couples will be more likely to follow it because they'll get cash incentives for it. So these are some of the ways which was adopted to promote population control. IEC and BCC campaigns. IEC basically stands for Information, Education, Communication. Information, Education, Communication. This stands for Behavior Change Communication. So basically, these are two health promotion methods, health promotion and education methods के अंडर आता है IEC, BCC. So these methods are adopted for bringing about a change in the society. So mass media campaigns like Nayi Pehal Kit and Sathya Resource Kit. Basically, Nayi Pehal Kit is given to the recently newly wed couples. I'll show you a video what all is there in the kit. And Sathya Resource Kit consists of a number of things basically given to the peer educators. They are only known as Sathya. Sathya matlab the one who gives you company. तो साथ से साथी आया. And to promote spacing, male involvement and delay of the first birth. तो ये IEC BCC कैंपेन से हम लोग ये सब करते हैं. तो अब नई पहल किट में क्या क्या होता है, we will see in this video.
नई पहल किट
ऐसा एक बैग रहता है रेड कलर का जो सारे मैरिड कपल्स को मिलता है.
प्लास्टिक पाइपिंग, अपर लेयर जूट, दिस इज वन जूट पॉकेट. नहीं है,
कॉन्डम्स हैं इसमें.
दिस इज प्रेगनेंसी टेस्ट किट.
वो प्रेगनेंसी डिटेक्शन किट्स हैं.
दिस इज
सहेली टैबलेट्स हैं.
3 कॉन्ट्रासेप्टिव पिल्स, 3 पत्ते. are?
They also give a small mirror with stand.
These are two. This is ladies hanky and this is a gents hanky. 15 each. Two towels.
Information booklets and pamphlets.
Nav Panjikar.
Information about how to register births and everything is there, along with diagrams. Basically, you can see this video later on also. So this is the Nai Pehal kit. Coming to the Satya Resource Kit. Basically, ये एक campaign है इंडिया का ही under the RKSK. तो ये anthem है. I'll just run through it.
तेरी थी के कान में कह दो जिंदगी में कह दो नए सुरों गानों में.
The green aprons, they are the peer educators, so we can see what all they do.
कह दो जीत की सरगम सुनाने हम आए हैं जिंदगी. स्वास्थ्य पोषण की समझ है.
Nutrition, menstrual hygiene, ये सब के बारे में, sexually transmitted diseases, use of condoms, quitting bad habits like cigarettes and alcohol, everything is dealt with in this under this Satya Resource Kit. इसमें जो peer educators होते हैं उनको एक kit भी मिलता है जिसके अंदर सारे pamphlets हैं, games होते हैं to promote everything. So basically आपके ही classmates को choose करके आपके पास ही भेजा जाता है to empower you to make better informed decisions. So you see this video later on. Isme they have shown everything what the Satyas do. Okay. So integration with RM and CHA plus and the NHM. So family planning is integrated with reproductive, maternal, neonatal, child and adolescent health under the National Health Mission for continuity of care. So that the child, the female child is not missed at any phase of the life. So they have integrated this with these programs. Okay, coming to this, the NFHS 5 data indicators. Let's see what is the TFR of our country. So TFR 2.1 replacement level is reached with 31 states and UTs at replacement level. Unmet need of family planning has come down to 9.4% from 12.9% in NFHS 4. Matlab now more female are having better access to the contraceptive methods. IUCD use also rose from 1.5 to 2.1. Percentage of currently married women using modern methods was around 70.8%, which is very good. And women with need satisfied by modern methods is 93.5%. So most of the women were claimed that they were satisfied with the modern methods of contraception. This is also an SDG indicator. So this is the NFHS 5 indicator pertaining to this topic. Here I have shown you the comparison of NFHS 5 with NFHS 4. So the darker one is NFHS 5 and the lighter one is, darker one is NFHS 4, lighter one is NFHS 5 data. See, unmet need of spacing has reduced, which is good. Total unmet need has also reduced. Any method which they were using has risen. So in NFHS 5, we see that more people are taking up any method of contraception. Modern method is again seen in 56.5, which is risen from the previous data. Condom use has risen. Pill is somewhat same. PPIUD is also increased, but not that much. Male sterilization is the same. So we need, should be the focus area. So what is the need of doing all this? So we can identify the focus area. So male sterilization better hai, cost effective hai, easy hai, quick hai, और कुछ complication भी नहीं है. तो अब ज़्यादा programs pertaining to this आने चाहिए male sterilization पे. Female sterilization, we are seeing that it is increasing. So this is a visual representation of the NFHS 5 and 4. If you want to see the exact data, I have made a table also. You can see it here. Okay, thank you, class.